I've got this log of hinoki, and the guy wants me to make it into a table for him. And the mill has turned out to be unreliable, so it's up to me to get the thing in shape. And I've got it in 3 even sections right now. Now we got to put it through the bandsaw, and I'm going to try and get some help with that. Okay, we got a square knot there, and that's linked through a tree up there and over that branch there. And the idea is to keep my tree from dropping its star fruit on the neighbor's property. And I can't seem to get any help, so I'm going about it alone. I've got it tied off, so I'm going to cut it right over there. Since I got the chainsaw fired up, I might as well do this. And hopefully it'll swing this way. I don't want to get caught on those barbs. That'll be a pain in the butt. Oh man, I'm nervous. Well, it didn't work. At least it didn't go on their side.
Buddy, careful, coming.
Get up, get up, get up, get up. I'm gonna let it snap itself.
Get it up.
Yeah. That's nerve-wracking shit, man. I was trying to cut it from the bottom, and the saw wanted to throw me off the ladder.
Oh, shit.
There you are. Oh. Okay, so I've discovered that my machine can handle that big of a cut. Oh, now it's starting to smell like hinoki. Just a long thing to go on. Wow. I can sell this sawdust for 500 NT a kilo. Well, now we got the 4 pieces for this low standing table, but all of the scrap is too small to make sizable feet. So I went digging and I got lucky. I got 1 length of old hinoki left. That's what they used to build the old farmhouses out of, and that's an example of the joinery they used to use. So I'll use that and make him his feet. Okay, those feet, you can see that they're crafted to be dovetail sliding sort of things, which means I need to mimic a slot in the bottom of this table. And it's far from even, and the slot needs to be even. So we're making a lot of chips with that electric plane, and I'm thinking about putting them in a bag and selling them. 500 a kilo. So in order to achieve a perfectly flat plane, I've made this jig with a flat piece of 3/4 inch plywood, and I've got 2 fences. I drew my red lines, which were the girth of the future feet, and now on this router I've got a flush cutting blade, and it's going to travel along the plywood and provide us a flat plane because the plywood is flat. And tomorrow we'll figure out a way to route in the dovetail slide grooves. Well, that worked out good. Now we've got a perfectly flat plane to work with.啊，多给他支撑一下。
就你那个220的是不是？
没有，我磨到60，才60。There we got some split out. Well, we're just about done. I've got a coat of sanding sealer on there. It seals the wood first, is what it does. It raises the grain, and then you knock off the surplus, and then you've got sealed wood that you can build coats up on. And I'm going to put 4 on this baby. Okay, well that's coat number 4, put on pretty heavy. It looks glossy now, but when it dries it's going to be a matte finish, and it won't be a sheen. That'll maximize the naturalness of the wood. That's pretty much a wrap. Thanks for watching along with me on this project.